In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add end screen after upload YouTube videos. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. You can see I have already opened YouTube Studio. Then I choose any of video, example purpose, this video. Then scroll down. This is the end screen option. Now click on plus element. Then you can choose any of them. Here are 4 options. I choose first one, videos. Then most recent uploaded, best for viewers, then specific video. Choose specific video. You can choose any one. I choose third one because I want to add a specific video. You purpose this one, and I choose the last. Okay, 1 minute and 30 seconds after this and screen will be shown. Now click on save. That's it. My work are done. Thanks for watching. See you again.